Yo, what is up? It's ByStageD here, back for another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install foam acoustic panels without damaging your walls. So what you're going to need for this is tape, 3M adhesives, which if you order the ones that I have linked below, they come with them, and of course, foam tiles. So I wasn't planning on making a video for this, so I'm basically just going to do a voiceover. So the way I did it was I measured off on the walls, and I used painter's tape so that I could put the adhesives on there rather than it being on the wall. So if I want to remove them, it won't damage the walls, of course. And I started off earlier, and it took me a while to actually put them all on there because I had to hair blow dry each one of them so they would expand to their original size. Some of them, however, I got lucky with and they were expanded by themselves. But there was a setback for me because I wanted to order these and put them up top as you see there. So those took 2 days to come in. So luckily I was able to blow dry and then put all the tape out. So luckily I had the measurements from Amazon, so it was 3 inches. So I just measured 3 inches up top and then I started laying it out for the tiles. So once I did that and I had them all blow dried out, these came in, so it was perfect. So it took me a while to put all these up here because I had to put the 3M adhesive on the back of each of the foam tiles. So that was 4 of them going on there. And luckily, after about doing 20 of these, I started getting pretty fast at taking off the adhesive part, which was honestly the longest part for this. So I would just get the corner and then I would just peel it off like that. So before that, it took me about a minute to get each one off. But after that, the process sped up quite a bit. So I'm going to put that back on there because this is an extra one because I really need more because on the outlets, there's a big gap. So I want to have more so I can cut it out. So hopefully I can order some more so I can finish doing the wall because there's actually some spaces that I left on the wall. So I didn't want to take the tape off because hopefully I can go out and get some more and then finish it off. And I would love to do the ceiling, but I don't know if that's really going to be possible. All right, so after I placed down all the tape, obviously I put the adhesive on all of them. So after that, I did the little, what I like to call foam crown molding. So I did that, and then I was able to start in the corner, and I just worked my way through here and then down, and then I went on this side. So that took me a few hours to do all of them actually, because like I said, the adhesive peeling off the back took me a while, but I did start getting pretty fast at it, but still putting them all on there was just a pain. So if there was any suggestion for the acoustic panels that I bought, that would be to have them already with the adhesives on there. But that might not work out well because some of them, like the ones on the window, obviously I couldn't put the adhesives on the bottom because there would be nowhere for them to stick. So I had to put them up a little bit higher because right there the window actually is behind it a little bit. So instead of cutting it off, I just let it overhang. So yeah, this video is kind of random, but since I spent so much time putting these up, I just want to do a little how-to video for installing them because I saw this on an Amazon review, but I wanted to go find it to credit the person, but I couldn't find it. So I'm not taking credit for it, but I saw them using painter's tape so it would be damage-free, so I thought it was a great idea. So I tried it out and it works out pretty good. Alright, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you found it helpful, then cool, let me know in the comments below if this method worked for you. Also, I'll have everything that I use linked in the description below. So obviously this is going to be for my new setup, so next year I'll have a video because hopefully I'll get more stuff for my setup for Christmas. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.